Ka Sarkar jela menta kasi tarik ujeliu ula pentep baka kynhun state disaster response force harangkat kajingsanran kipulet kiladon hakas nong Umpleng sudnga East Jantia Hills banwa dikin ringut kinong belati dewïong na kajela asam kibla satap hakawai kakram dewïong ha kabai dei bat kani habayo panikran bot menteri ketanat kampoyeng kajela uba la kaben remboi ulai thu banakaliang ka kynhun ke SDRF fire service bat kipulet kajela kilaidon hakate kajaka banjurup ya kajinglong jingman la ban sedang no niem banjit yaki brio kibasha tab hakate ka krem dewïong Henry nakaliang ba lakmen ulong bana ka jingjur palat uslam kumbolong menta ban sedang ya kakam kalong kabae kumon sipentip nen kasngi ki pulit kilakem yo try jongkawe kapar dewïong ubalatip kerteng da uke charmang Henry nakaliang pulit kimpat yo satya ban toket nomor la test positif nakaklam covid-19 bat menta udon hapo corona care center Henry ki klam shem la yo kampat yo soldar bakpe ya kate ka krem ubalatip kerteng kum unizam ali
The SDRF are already stationed there. They will see what is to be done and what is the next step. They will decide there. And unless I get the full report after the rain stop, I cannot say anything right now. It's too premature for me to reply for that. Let us wait for the full information. Our priority is that to get that man who is engaged, who are alleged to be engaged to labor. If you get hold of that, and we'll know the true fact, how it happened, whether it's happened, and what is the thing, how many people, it is like that. The people, they may try to do whatever they like, but it is the duty of the government to see that it's done. And this place, which they are, the place of the incident is very far from the place of, from the main road. It's about 3-4 kilometers about the main road, so it's very difficult for the police to police there. So, in fact, the police department also having seen that this incident of illegal mining and other things happened. So, this year they have proposed, as I said, because due to shortage of manpower, they have proposed to the government also that this AD camp in Umpleng could be upgraded into the outpost. So it could be strengthened for this to oversee if there is any illegal mining and all. So the process is on. But whatever happened, if it is happened, is very sad, and it is totally unacceptable on the part of the government that this type of thing, when everybody is busy, everybody is busy in fighting this type of COVID. There are some people, greedy people who try to circumvent the law, who try to go behind the law and do all these things. So this is unacceptable. So the police will go deep into this issue so that whatever action to be taken against any people who are involved in this could be taken. As I'm speaking now, that since the water level is and it's raining there, they cannot do anything. So we will wait.